Right now, we are about 10 minutes away from my good friend Devin's house. I'm very excited to go see him. I actually haven't seen him at his place in a very long time, but I seen him at Tuna Evolution though, which was a lot of fun. So from Tri-Cities to Spokane, it's about 2.5 hours for me in this car because I usually just travel around 67 miles an hour. But as you can tell, there is a crazy amount of road noise, and that's just from my beautiful Toyo Tires. The RRRs just love to sing. And it's gonna be an adventure when we head off to Seattle here soon for Hot Import Nights on June 22nd. And the 4 hours just hearing the road noise is gonna be crazy, but we'll survive. So, that was a bad dip. There was no sign that there was a dip there. All right, dude, that's honestly really why I drive like kind of conservative but high up, because that's sketchy as shit. But all right, we're gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna stay focused on driving, see if there's any more holes in the road, and see you guys there. So if you guys do not know, Devin's actually building another FRS as well, and he's doing a reveal on it soon. So this is my first look on the new design of the FRS. Hi, baby. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good, how are you? Good, man.
What's up, dude?
Just chilling. Just got home.
Really?
Yeah, literally just got home.
Feeling good?
Feeling good, yeah. I don't drink anymore, really.
Oh,
I cut that shit out, dude. I drank.
Yeah, you watch your macros, bro.
I know, bro. I have so nice to have Kody, though.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
All right, guys. So if you guys do not know exactly what we're here at Devin's exactly for, is one, to check out his baby, because this thing actually is beautiful. The one thing I absolutely love is this carbon fiber on his door handles.
The little cups.
I don't have that, but they are sick. But with Devin though, he's waiting on his wheels, you know, and the show season's about to start. Stance Wars, Seattle's about to come, Blackfest, Seattle's about to come, and then there's like Spokane, there's Hot Import Nights. He's literally just waiting on his wheels here. So we're actually curious to see which one is actually wider. Is the Pandem kit wider? As you guys know, I have the Pandem version 3.5. Devin has the version 2 rally backer. We're gonna see which one's wider. Like if my specs can fit on this car.
Yeah, I'm really curious, dude. Because I feel like we spec'd it out when I had the works on here.
Right.
Weren't they like really similar?
They're super similar. I think yours is a little bit more aggressive though. But you had stretched tires.
Yeah, really stretched tires.
So I do not have stretched tires at all. Devin's gonna teach me how to ceramic pro. Because as you guys know, my whole car's ceramic pro, but my wheels aren't ceramic pro'd.
Oh, your car's done? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Sick.
Taylor did it for me.
Yeah.
So I was lit on that. So yeah, he's gonna teach me how to ceramic pro, because I've been watching your channel. It doesn't look too terribly difficult. So I always love like learning something new. So
yeah.
And maybe you guys will learn something as well. Also, if you guys need to pick up some ceramic pro, I'll plug it later on in the video. But Devin has his own discount code to save some money.
It's DVN25. It's AvalonKing.com. DVN25 is $25 off. So it's a fatty discount. It brings the whole kit down to like $45.
Yeah. So if I can do it, you guys can do it, because
Bobby did it.
No way.
Bobby did we did my STI together, and yeah, Bobby did the whole set of the car. So yeah, if she can do that shit, anybody can do it.
All right. Well, let's get back throwing your calipers and your brakes back on, and let's throw my wheels on, bro. Oh boy. Also, guys, I'm with Kody here as well. Sorry, I'm a bad person. So Cody's been around here. He's helping me out with filming and you know, adventure time. So I'm gonna go pull my BRZ.
Yeah, pull it in the back.
Around back, and then I don't know, air her out just to see how the Fitment compares onto the V3.5 kit to the Rally Backer version 2 kit. So
you're just throwing rocks in your car. You're good. Send it. Just send it. Hot boy send. Rip. You're good. It was just the bottom of your car. You're all the way up.
Watch that front.
Alright, let's see what kind of shitty fitment we're working with here, bro. Oof. I can fit my dick up in there, that's just so
Bro,
loose.
you need to fix that shit, bro.
What?
It's like, whole, like...
I never come in the back. Never. I would just pull it in right now.
So, okay. Fitment-wise, pretty decent, you know, a little finger action. And the fronts, they're actually like super, super tight. And this surprisingly doesn't pull this fender. It just literally lays there and just, it's aired out all the way at 0. Fitment on it, like, do you like this Fitment? Is it good?
Fuck yeah, dude. It's perfect. It's the best V3 Fitment I've seen. Or
With,
V3.5.
with some serious meat on her, too. It's no stretch.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm sure you guys want to know the specs on these things as well. I'd be missing out if I didn't.
Yeah, I don't even know what they are.
I'm going to be kind of generous, okay? I got 18x10, negative 48 on the front. And it can fit a big brake kit as well, so we don't have to worry about your front caliper at all. And then I got 255/35/18 on the front, and then the rear is probably what everyone's most curious about. Oh, also before the front, I'm running at negative 6-degree camber as well. That's super important for people to know. Like I'm also running a little bit of camber on this thing. For the rear, running an 18x11, negative 58, and it can fit a big brake kit as well. So the face has a little bit of different offset to it. Then running a 295/30/18.
Thick.
So thick boy shit, but it sits really good. Has really a good like aggressive contour to the body. It makes everything just flow.
Yeah.
Super well together. So if I like stretch tires, I don't think it would look.
Dude, it wouldn't flow on this car.
As good.
This is like a track fitment, but it's like fitted as fuck. It's hard to explain.
It's rice. It's race inspired cosmetic enhancements.
I don't have any brakes. They're all shit, yeah. So I'm just using E-brakes, but I might just jack on the side so at least
Alright, yeah.
Figure it out. Should we bring it outside?
Yeah, bring it outside.
Just take it out.
Alright, Megan, jump in here.
You get 2 compressors. 2 compressors. Yo, she looks so aggressive. She looks so good. The thing's not bolted all the way, but it's definitely pushing it. Yo. He's gonna air it out too, see how she looks. It's like a signature spot.
Air out spot.
Alright, manually air it out.
That rear's not good.
This side, hold on.
Wash that front. Leave the front first. Because the front should clear no matter what. We have plenty of space. Oh, I mean, not really, I guess.
And that's hot boy,
Bro.
bro.
Really close.
That's just like, that's literally identical to your Fitment.
Right.
I feel like. I mean.
Alright. Babe.
Yo.
Devin.
What?
Go up.
Hold on.
Okay.
I think you're lying. Is it pulling the kid off? Are we good?
That's don't do it anymore on this side.
Oh. Just a little bit more.
Yo. Chill.
If
Chill.
there was just a little bit of stretch, they'd fit fine. I think they're like an exact. Or I think yours is probably a little bit wider.
A little bit.
Actually, yeah, because I.
How much camera are you running in the front? -8? I think you play. I'm running -6. And that's way more aggressive. Bro, at the end of the day, if Bobby doesn't like him, I'll return you the money for him, bro.
Okay, that's fine. That'll work.
You know?
Yeah. Fuck. I guess I'll just return them. Can
but-
I have my money back, bro? Yeah, I got you. What did I pay you? 35?
Maybe 35, but there's some ones and stuff in there.
That'll work.
Devin's gonna do some thumbnail stuff right now, but also Devin just got a 350Z, and I don't think I've ever told you guys this, but before I got the BRZ, I was super involved in like just 350Z research, and I've actually never drove a 350Z before in my life. And I think if I ever had to get another car and tune it, it'd be a 370Z manual. So we're gonna go rip that thing around here in a little bit and see if I missed out. You know what I mean? Like my BRZ and the 350Z. I know I'm happy with my car. It's just crazy of how things were different. Like I was this close about buying one, and then invested myself into the BRZ just in research, and I said, this is what I want to do, and now we're here. Imagine how things would be so much different. I got 350Z.
You guys have to say that Bobby's the clickbait. Yeah, I can lock it. Here. I'm turning off traction control, but don't fucking wreck it.
I'm not gonna wreck it. I'm not gonna slide it, dude. The clutch is really nice, actually, in this thing. You're in my mirror. I don't want to hit one of his 18 vehicles. What the heck? He turned traction control off for me. Like he knows I do fucking burnouts or something. Chill! I did it?
That was lit.
That was like really controlled too.
Oh yeah. I really thought you were gonna like freaking overcorrect and like.
Bro, I'm not professional, bro.
That was good.
Okay. Dude, what are you talking about? You're just so used to your 500 horsepower cars. Like, it has a good acceleration to it.
Yeah. I don't know, dude.
It sounds good.
It does sound good.
It doesn't sound like a ricer or anything.
It sounds really good. I love
good.
how these sound, dude. Like,
okay, so the one thing I wanted to learn how to do was just learn how to ceramic coat something or anything. I know my car is ceramic coated, but the wheels are not. So I said, you know what a better place to go and learn how to do something than drive up, see my good buddy Devin, eat some lunch with them, hang out, film a couple videos, you know, and then learn how to ceramic coat. I keep on saying ceramic pro.
I know.
Yeah, so first step, Devin told me, is to clean all the dirt off, which makes sense, you know, most basic.
Yeah.
So step one, cleaning. So I'm gonna put the camera down, let's get to cleaning.
Step two, fix all the curb rash.
So step one, like I said, cleaning is all the way done. Step two, load everything up on the table, and then I'm about to learn what.
Grind and fucking coat them.
Yeah, that's it.
Shit's so easy, bro.
All right, I guess I'll put you guys back on the time lapse.
You gotta clean them again with extra alcohol.
Yes. So we just got done with my 2 set of wheels, and then Devin did those 2 set of wheels. So they're actually really soft. Like, this coating is really, really interesting. It's also super easy, you know. Like Devin said, like I didn't think, like I was overthinking a lot of stuff onto it. I think a lot of people do. But I think when they first learn how to do something, they just overthink. And like me, my overthinking was, how many drops do I need? Can I overdo it? Will it hurt if I put more drops on it than I need to? But then you're like, no. Like, the only way you can really F up on these is if, one, you don't do every little thing, because it'll show for sure.
Yeah, exactly.
And 2 is like, don't put water on it as soon as you get them coated.
Yeah.
That's like basically the only 2 things, and that's like, wow, it's an eye opener for me.
Big oof. You need some wheels, bro. High five, Jordan. We coated your car.
Can we get a thumbnail together?
$20.
I mean, you've been popping on.
$30 and you can do it. What do you mean a thumbnail together? You don't want me to thumbnail, bro. Where's Bobby when you need her the most?
Right. All right, guys. So Devin, stepping on my lip.
Good to see
Bro.
you again, bro.
Thank you so much for teaching me some new things out here. It's also fun, you know. Drove 2.5 hours just to learn something.
Yeah.
Worth it, you know.
Yeah,
Knowledge is power out here, my guy.
Yeah.
Knowledge is power.
Don't look at the cars. Look at the books.
Fact. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, leave a like. Also, if you're not already, subscribe to my man's YouTube, because
Thank you,
I think like 80% of your YouTube followers are now mine, subscribers.
Yeah. We switch back and forth. We trade off.
I'll just play it. But all right, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know, do those fun things.
Don't forget.
You guys already know.
Yeah.
And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.